MeghalayaPost.news.
I pledge to care my pets by treating them with kindness and respect. I will be responsible pet owner by ensuring my pets receive the right food, healthcare, and rabies vaccine every year to keep them and others safe. I will also take responsibility for ensuring that stray dogs in my locality are cared.
Kaprathehi Borakaway, Lamba Tnad Jangka Veterinary, Kilabo Yakatong, Banla Rad Dyngkhong no, Jingpang Rabbies Hapoh Meghalaya Post. Hakaba Galak Panru, Jingkershan Paiba no Sosnong, Banla Banpunlong Yakani Katong. Yakani Lapan Pau, do Dr. F. Nongdhar, Medical Officer, Tnad Veterinary, Riboy District, but Dr. Benjamin C.H. Moment, Medical Officer, Tnad District Medical, and Health Officer, Riboy District. Hak Jinkren, Jingpenshai Paiba, Lingbaka Awareness Program, Kabla along Shibenta, Nakajingrake Yakawa Rabbies Week, Haga St. Paul Higher Secondary School Nongpo. Kini ki medical officer kelapan syai bagi Jingpang Rabbies kada ki Jingpang ke Bashir Khiah bat kabala ban syum wat di Jing em ki briuru. Ki bangat ni bet ya kani ki Jingpang. Hadin ke Jingsadat hakim Rad ni ki Jingri Jingdop haki yang kisam jengki. Ke bakongsan kalong bagi pajba ki badan ni ki Jingri halayeng ke de belin eye injection ni vaccination yala ki Jingri kentop ya ki kso bat ki de banyadan kani ki Jingpang.
Rabies is a viral disease which can be transmitted from animal to animal or animal to human. Usually occurs in mammals, warm-blooded animals. From animals to human, it occurs in the form of bites or licks in open wounds or mucous membranes such as eyes or the mouth. And then we have to take care every time we suspect any bite or lick on the wound by any animal at all. We should always wash the wound first 15 minutes with soap, water, or any other detergent or antiseptic solution that you have. Like Dettol, we'll all be having Dettol back home, right? So we can just run open water, and then after that you have to take this step. You should get medical treatment. You should always go to, after getting a bite, you should always go see a doctor so that you can get vaccinated. Rabies is a deadly disease. Once the symptom starts, the patient is almost guaranteed to die. So before that, before the symptoms sets in, you should always get vaccinated.
So I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Nongdhar. I came from the veterinary department in the Boy District. So why we choose your school, like your principal have said before, to raise awareness. We came here because this whole week, right from 23rd of September till the 28th of September, we are celebrating the World Rabies Week for this year 2024. So I myself, on behalf of the Meghalaya Veterinary Services Association, Riboy District Unit, would like to raise awareness regarding the rabies, because globally these rabies have been infected so many people. I think all of you knows about this. So why we raise awareness also regarding this? Because to mark the 10th anniversary of Louis Pasteur. I think some of you might know who is Louis Pasteur. He is a French chemist, and he is the first person who discovered the vaccine rabies. So with this year also we have the theme, and this theme for this year 2024, it is breaking rabies boundaries. So with the theme itself, I think you understand that breaking rabies boundaries means we need to unite all the students and everyone present here, along with the stakeholders, the Nambashtam, so many organizations present in our state, we can work together to eliminate this rabies. So, why this rabies is so important? Because it is a zoonotic disease which can infect from animals to human being or from human being to human being. So this year also, like what I said, the theme is breaking rabies boundaries. So if we work together, we vaccinate our pets, we vaccinate the stray dogs, we vaccinate all animals, especially the warm-blooded animals, we can eradicate this rabies by 2030. So maybe by 2030 there will be zero human death if all of us are working together. So my dear students, I would like to say something regarding rabies.
MeghalayaPost.news